Good morning. It's the morning of the 2021 December run. We're here at the Bread Basket in Newton, Kansas. Got my buddy Jimmy's car back over here behind me and a bunch more cool ones here. We're going to do a couple hours of driving today. We're going to go to a little town called Beaumont, Kansas. That's just barely there, barely on the map, but they've got a cool little restaurant we're going to check out. Yeah, we're leaving a place to eat to go to a place to eat. And then after that, we're going to go to Affordable Street Rods, my day job, and we're going to just hang out and talk and have a good day. It's going to be about in the mid-50s, which is a great way to start in December, and we're going to have a fun time driving our old cars out on the road. So hope you enjoy the ride. All right, folks, we've been driving for just a little bit. We had one guy had a dead battery, so we had to stop for a little bit there, and he got a new battery in his truck. And while we're waiting for him to get that swapped out, we're meeting up with the next group. And a whole bunch of the Eldoraders from El Dorado, Kansas have been out here hanging out with us. They're hanging out waiting for us. And it's a good thing it's a nice day, because if it was 5 degrees, I'd be a little, I'd feel a little sad for them. But looks like they've been having a good time, so we're going to shoot some more here, and we're going to get back on the road. We ended up with a lot more cars today than I thought. Normally on this deal, since it's in December, it could be anywhere from 5 to 10 to 15 cars. Today I think we've got about 25 total. Love that little Roadster. Got a whole bunch more coming in here. We're gonna go grab ourselves a bite to eat at the Atlanta Cafe here in Atlanta, Kansas. Had a little change of plans because the place we originally planned to stop is closed for winter. Did not know that till this morning. So, all right, I'm gonna get out of the way here. These guys are all coming in the park. Here at Atlanta, Kansas at the Atlanta Cafe. Already had a couple cars peel off here, but we'll take off here pretty soon, and we'll head north, go through a couple more small towns, see a little more scenery, and we'll head back to Peabody, Kansas. Well, I did not shoot nearly enough video today, but to be honest, I was the front car. Not much to see from there, except for more shots out the windshield, and you've seen a ton of those on our website over the years if you've been following along. So we had 8 cars that left this morning, knowing we were going to pick up some more in the first town we went through. So we did pick up about 20, somewhere in there, so about 20 cars more, 21 cars more. We had a slight snafu because the place I was going to take everybody for lunch, they closed last week for winter. Didn't see that on their website, didn't see that on their Facebook or whatever I looked at, and I've been trying to call, got voicemail, that never said that on the voicemails. My bad. So, one of the guys said, hey, we went to this other town down the road here, we had some great food there a while back, it's not too far away, let's do that. That's what we did. Took a different route than we had planned. Didn't get to see everything we wanted to see, but we still had more than 40 people. So the little restaurant was overwhelmed, and by the time we got done eating, it was about a 2.5-hour lunch stop instead of an hour lunch stop. And the whole day was just kind of messed up from there. We ended up making it back to Affordable Street Rods where I work at about 4:45 p.m. I planned on being there at about 2. And, yeah, it was a good day overall. We had one guy who's Wasn't sure if his battery was going bad or his starter was going out. He swapped the battery, and it still had issues, and then he smacked the starter with a hammer, and it seemed to work after that. So he left about halfway through the run to try to get home before it acted up any more on him. Other than that, I don't think we had any problems. Had a good day in the old Galaxy, and we had a lot of fun hanging out with a lot of friends, some family, and that's what we do every year for the Decembrrrr Run. This year was not very burr. It's kind of chilly, not too bad. So get out there, drive your cars, have a good time, hang out with your friends, enjoy this life because you only get the one. I'll see you at a show.